Today is our very last day of our poetry unit. Okay, so on the back of your poetry planning packet, you can see the one that we have not done yet is called the My Tongue Twister planning page. Now these poems are fun. These are one of my favorites to do. It says a tongue twister is a phrase or group of sentences that is hard to say quickly because the words start with the same sounds. That is like when I was giving the examples of alliteration. You find that page in the packet. I gave you the example of, well, here's an example in your page, in your Elements of Poetry packet. Tommy took 2 tomatoes. I gave you the phrase of Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, a peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, then where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Okay, so it's the same sounds. It's alliteration. So phrase or group of sentences that is hard to say quickly because the words start with the same sounds. Alliteration. Complete the boxes below to start planning your tongue twister. Use this page to complete your final copy. Okay, so first, you're going to start with a letter. You pick any letter in the alphabet. Choose a letter from the alphabet. Write the letter below. Number 2, think of words. Write as many words as you can and think of that start with that letter. Okay, so write as many words as you can that begin with the letter you chose. Number 3, you're going to write a sentence. So choose some words from box number 2. So right here, you're just listing a whole bunch of words that start with whatever letter you put here. Okay? So if you did an S, you could list soccer, scary, sock. Okay, list any words you can think of that start with an S. But it also helps to kind of relate the words. So if you can think of like snake and slither and think of words that kind of go with each other, that will help you when you get to step 3. Write a sentence. Choose some words. Choose some of the words from box number 2 to come up with a sentence that is fun and tricky to say. Okay, so that's what you will do here. And then your final goes on page number 10, the tongue twister poem. Okay, I will show you my example right now so you can see what I did, and you will draw your picture in here. Q4, quality. All right, and then make sure you do, since that was our last poem, make sure that you fill out the about the author page. Okay. All right, let me show you my poem that I did. Pause this. So this is my tongue twister poem right here. Notice it's a 3-line poem. Okay, your final copy is 3 lines. Fred found fresh fish and finally had a fresh fish fry. Okay, so the sounds all sound the same. And then I chose the same letter. Okay, so think of a tongue twister poem that you can do. Pick a letter, any letter in the alphabet. Have fun with it. And also, I would love to hear your poems. Okay, so I've heard a couple students' poems and they're awesome. We would love to listen to your poems that you have to share and the pictures. So share your poems that you wrote. We would love to listen to them. All right, have fun on our last day of poetry.